East African Kingdom anthems.
And the general public would like to welcome, and may their souls rest in eternal peace. And I'd like to bring you everything that you need for the prayers, contributions, and everything. Thank you so much. And the general public would like to welcome. You're all welcome. And may their souls rest in eternal peace. And I'd like to bring you, your attention that as Mukono this.
I'm not a judge in this council. How to have the registrar. Our chairperson, who has the secretary in office, who receives these documents on behalf of us council. I'm not attending, I'm giving 15 minutes. And no one should get out there, apart from the cow and the district chairperson, to go and provide to us these documents.
I came to represent Nama. This is not Bakaluba Mukasa school. This is Emukono district local government. The way of administration in schools is different from the administration of the district. Let him not fool us. Let him sack me right now. I cannot work with an incompetent government. An incompetent
An important matter that touches the whole people of Mukono district. Madam Speaker, I would like to seek information from the Honorable Member, Honorable Chairperson, the cow, to provide guidance given to the District Chairperson Stroke Council on the issues of the District Service Commission from the Minister of Local Government, the Chairperson Public Service Commission, and the Solicitor General. Madam Speaker, it is my humble request. Order. Honorable Bakaluba Mukasa promised to provide us with the guidance from the Minister, which was never done. It is my humble request that let the office of the cow provide us with the relevant guidance on the matter to enable Council of Mukono District Local Government pronounce itself.
Amakulu ekiwa amakulu. I beg. Yes, Madam Cow.
Apate dakika 2. Nzesali wa lwebanga lwala mubadde nga bali ku nsonga eno. So I'm not so sure about people. The document solicitor general simanyi oba nasiraba.
Being raised by a member of the executive committee whom we sit with in the executive. He was part of all of this when we are developing these motions, and such of these concerns were not raised. It becomes totally unfair and unambushed to the administration of this district council if the district of Mukono, which is historical and respected, Madam Speaker, is going to be handled and to behave like this. We all know that the chairman of the district is the appointing officer. He nominates members of the executive to work with him. And whatever is done in the executive is binding. Honorable Odongo, before we even proceed, is my member, is a minister. We have presented.
It will not be a good behavior to give order to my chairperson. What is chairperson? Now we end up with the capability for providing the documents to have a recommendation. When you can get the feeling, you have the documents to malize somewhere. But tulina motion yasoose eyogera okukayarenga. Gyetugenda okukayarenga yemukwava documents. So we'd like to seek clarification. Tuleme kudda kweno nsonga yetya nga buli kaseera. Let us pronounce ourselves today. I'd like to cancel our timekeeper. I've given 15 minutes for this preparation. Let us stop that habit. No one is going out. We finish this matter once and for all. Yes, you can guarantee.
The members were thereafter sworn in on the 15th November 2022, namely, number 1, Mr. Kalumba Benjamin as chairperson. Number 2, Madame Molina Catherine as a member.
And may their souls rest in eternal peace. And I'd like to bring you.
Yandibadde yayita naye obuzibu tusinga okubufuna mulimu interest ng'ez'abantu kubanga mba mwakeera ku makya ne mulonda mmwe abakkirizibwa okulondebwa nga district ate ng'omuntu omu urban authorities ezimulonda bwe zikuweereza omuntu gwe tolinawo okola ki omugobera omuntu oyo bwe ziba zikuweereza zifaanagana ng'omuntu akuwa saponsa ku ssomero bw'aleeta ssente ez'ebinusu gwe toyinza zigamba muno zikole ki ziddeyo urban authorities ezatuweza omukyala kirono wabula interest y'omuntu nga kyamani wa district tolinawo omugambya ate tulwe tulwawo kikola tegera tufiiriza bannamukono okubeera nga bafuna emirimu kyekisinga otutukusa funa bannamukono
Bakansala ziba NUP basinga obungi tunagamba ti abantu baffe nga tuli mbina ebyekito Bakaluba byakiteekamu okiraba nze I've refused totally tuyina bifo ebisuka mu lukaaga mu mukono okero leeta abo ebuyukwe ekyaleesa service commission okubanga ziri decentralized once ku district local governments baagala basembeze obuweereza eri abantu ye Bakaluba obuweereza abutwala buyukwe ekyokubanga ni minisita we waddembe okungoba nze sikola na bakibogwe kwaze siri wa kibogwe nagenda kusomera n'osoma emyaka gyonna ayina muhumuza vice chairperson wa P3 holder yamenya teeka katoa P3 alumirwaki omwana yasoma ayina diguri muhumuza wa P3 alumirwaki omwana era akomawo mu kanso empapula za muhumuza ku tebo tetujja kufugibwa abasiru abazadde Emukono batunda ebinyaanya ne basomesa abaana muhumuza teyalinnya mu ssomero tamanyi bulumi bwa mwana eyasoma nga bama batunda nyaanya tabumanyi kati Bakaluba byatuleetera nze ngenemu ebyo biddofe